Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we will be learning how to upgrade your EveryDollar account to Premium. In order to subscribe to Premium on EveryDollar, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. In the URL box, as soon as you open up a web browser, type in everydollar.com and search. Also, make sure that you're signed into your account like you normally do. Once you get to the main homepage for EveryDollar, go ahead and click on the Upgrade to Premium button at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you can also go ahead and click on Try Premium for free for now and then enjoy 14-day free trial. But in order to enjoy the 14-day free trial, you will need to go ahead and enter a payment method. Enter your debit card number in the text box along with the expiry date and the code and the CVC code and click on Agree and Buy Now. You will then be able to enjoy 14 days free trial for EveryDollar subscription, and then you won't be charged until after your 14 days is over. That way you can take advantage of the free trial to explore the premium features before committing to a paid subscription. So that's how you can easily subscribe or upgrade to premium version for EveryDollar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.